Across the previous episodes, we discussed several structural ideas. Minimum survival numbers, margin, automatic allocation. But concepts become clearer when we see them apply to real situations. So in this episode, we will look at a grounded example. Not extreme wealth, not financial crisis, just sequencing. Consider David. He is 38 years old. He earns £5,800 per month. He considers himself financially responsible. He invests occasionally. He saves inconsistently. From the outside, his financial life appears stable. Let us examine his structure more closely. David's minimum survival number is £3,600 per month. That covers his mortgage, utilities, insurance, loan repayments, food, baseline commitments. This leaves him with £2,200 of margin. On paper, that appears comfortable. But there is another number that matters. Liquidity. David currently holds £4,000 in accessible reserves. Just over 1 month of survival. Emotionally, he feels secure. Structurally, he is exposed. Now let us apply the automatic allocation rule. First comes stability, £3,600. This maintains the structure. Second comes reinforcement. David chooses 20% of income. 20% of £5,800 equals £1,160 per month. He sets this as an automatic transfer. Immediately. What remains is lifestyle spending. Approximately £1,040. Now observe what happens over time. Within 1 year, £1,160 per month becomes £13,920. David's liquidity increases from £4,000 to nearly £18,000. That equals roughly 5 months of survival runway. Not through extreme sacrifice, simply through sequencing. Now let us extend this example further. Assume modest income growth over 3 years. David's income rises to £6,400 per month. He maintains the same rule. 20% continues moving automatically into reinforcement. That becomes £1,280 per month. By year 3, his liquidity exceeds 6 months of survival. Something subtle begins to change. Financial stress reduces. Negotiation confidence increases. He begins exploring advisory work part-time. Not from pressure, but from stability. Notice something important. David did not double his income. He did not launch a business overnight. He did not eliminate lifestyle spending. He simply reversed the order. Stability first, then scale. Now reflect quietly. If your income remained exactly the same, but your allocation rule changed, what might your structure look like in 3 years? Take a moment and write that projection in your workbook. Project 1 year, then 3 years. Seeing the trajectory matters. Many people underestimate the compounding effect of consistent allocation, because results are invisible in the first month, but very visible by year 3. This case study is not aspirational. It is structural. The difference between fragility and optionality is often sequencing. In the next episode, we will examine another important lever: structural rigidity, because reducing rigidity increases leverage, and leverage without rigidity becomes powerful.